front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Begin with locating and opening calendar app and selecting this icon at the bottom right corner of it. Then choose Got It and tap on the month above. From here you need to pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and then create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from this list. Now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Here you can pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always tap on this switcher next to all day to disable or enable this feature completely. Now tap on this not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select this not repeat. Now you can add people, add videos, choose add location, click on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, type in an address and click on the correct result. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, change color of your event, take notes and even add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, make your changes and discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing top right one. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to also click on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, click on delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!